All right, guys, welcome. I'm on my way to Toyota, do a maintenance check on the vehicle and possibly do a little recall of one of the components. I got a letter in the mail saying that they're doing a recall on certain components of the vehicle. I don't know what that is, but I might find out today, so that's where I'm headed. And I'm gonna try this little thing here that I've got right here. And I heard some bad stories about this kind of device. I think this is not on the cheap end, so it should be okay. But I heard that you're not supposed to overpower these things because it could blow a fuse or something. So I want to test it out at Toyota, where if anything goes wrong, then I've got the support of the best technicians that you can have, and so I don't have to call AAA if something goes wrong. So I'll be like nice and sitting pretty at their shop waiting for them to come service my vehicle, and so I'll do that. Two birds, one stone, and if anything goes wrong, then I've got the support of Toyota Care. Woo! Which I love. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon in hopefully another fun video. On another note, I was able to find James, so hopefully I'll get that little fighter jet, the J-11, back. We'll see, because the rain has been beating it to shreds. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon.